To change icon's shape on the Redmi Note 14S, all you simply have to do is first move into the settings. From here you'll have to scroll down and go for the themes, and from here you can find a lot of different themes which are also free. And what I actually want to show you is simply find any theme, like take a look at all of these themes, and if you like this, like for example this shape of these icons, what I recommend you to do from now is download this theme, and after download this theme, go for my account, themes, and select your theme with these icons which you'd like to have on your phone, and then select this theme, press customize, and unselect all of these things right here and select only icons. And now, as you will select these icons and apply changes for the theme, you will have the previous theme which you had. In my case it was this limitless theme, and it is still right here as you can see, but these icons have changed for the colorful colors theme, as you can see. So yeah, that is how you can change this icon's shape on the Redmi Note 14S.